Hey kids, today we're going to learn how to spell Rubble from Paw Patrol. Do you know how to spell Rubble? After we learn how to spell Rubble, I'll open up the surprise egg. Let's get started. I will make the letters out of Play-Doh. The first letter is R. The next letter is U. After U, the letter is B. The next letter is B. After B comes the letter L. The last letter is E. R, U, B, B, L, E. Rubble. Let's open up the surprise egg and see what's inside. It's SpongeBob. Which SpongeBob character is it? It's Sandy the Squirrel. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more fun videos.